A good food processor can turn chopping, slicing, and shredding from a chore into a quick button press, saving you time on every meal. Capacity, power, blades, and ease of cleaning all matter more than flashy extras. In this video to the best food processors, we'll compare the key features so you can prep smarter every day in your kitchen. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. If you want a compact helper that makes everyday prep faster, the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor is a smart fit for your kitchen. Its efficient 250-watt motor and patented reversible stainless steel blade give you reliable power to chop herbs, dice vegetables, and grind hard cheese without taking up much counter space. With a 24-ounce work bowl, you can handle small batches easily, perfect for dressings, sauces, toppings, baby food, and quick sides. The lightweight plastic body and brushed chrome finish keep it stylish yet practical, while the 2.2-pound design makes it easy to move, store, or leave on your counter for daily use. You get simple, intuitive push-button controls and an auto-reversing smart power blade that offers two key functions: chop and grind. That means you can switch between gentle processing for softer ingredients and more robust power for harder foods, giving you better control over textures and results. Cleanup is straightforward, so you're more likely to reach for it often. The bowl and lid are dishwasher safe, and the motor base can be wiped clean with a damp cloth or sponge. Running on a standard 120-volt outlet, this mini food processor is designed to fit smoothly into your routine, helping you handle the smaller but essential prep tasks that make cooking easier and more enjoyable. At number 4, BLACK+DECKER Food Processor. If you want a food processor that's easy to use from day one, this BLACK+DECKER model is designed with your everyday kitchen in mind. The smart assembly system lets you place the work bowl directly on the base and use the lid as the locking mechanism, so you're not wasting time wrestling with complicated twists or unclear markings before you can start prepping. With an 8-cup work bowl, you get plenty of room for homemade salsa, hummus, nut butter, chopped veggies, and more. It's a practical size for most households, large enough for family portions, yet compact enough to store without taking over your counter or cabinets. The stainless steel S-blade is built to quickly chop and mix, giving you fast, consistent results whether you're working with soft ingredients or tougher textures. When you need to slice or shred, the reversible metal disc steps in, helping you cut vegetables or shred cheese efficiently without overworking your hands or arms. Made from durable plastic and powered by a 450-watt motor on a standard 120-volt outlet, this processor fits smoothly into your daily cooking routine. The dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup more manageable, so you're more likely to use it often instead of leaving it tucked away. This BLACK+DECKER Food Processor is a straightforward, reliable tool that supports the way you like to cook. Number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Food Processor. If you're tired of stopping to scrape the sides of your food processor, this Hamilton Beach model is made to simplify your prep. The built-in bowl scraper lets you pull ingredients back toward the blades while it runs or when it's off, so you get more even results without constantly reaching for a spatula. With a 10-cup capacity, you can handle everyday meals, snacks, and small batch prep for family or guests without overflowing the bowl. The stainless steel slicing shredding disc and reversible chopping pureeing blade give you 5 core functions in one machine: slice, shred, chop, mix, and puree. That means you can go from salad ingredients to salsa, dips, or acai bowls using the same appliance. The 450-watt motor gives you enough power to handle tougher ingredients while still being easy to control. 2 speeds plus pulse allow you to match the power to what you're making: high for harder foods and faster chopping, low for more delicate mixes and gentle processing. The large feed chute helps you fit bigger pieces of fruits and vegetables, so you spend less time pre-cutting. Weighing just 4.7 pounds and built from durable plastic with a black and stainless finish, this 120-volt processor is light enough to move yet sturdy enough for regular use, giving you a practical, time-saving tool for daily cooking. At number 2, Ninja Food Processor. If you're ready for a food processor that can seriously keep up with your cooking, this Ninja model is built for you. With a powerful 1200 peak watt motor, you get the strength to power through tough ingredients, knead thicker doughs, and handle big batches without the motor bogging down, so your prep feels smoother and more efficient. You get 4 Auto IQ preset programs that help remove the guesswork. With simple one-touch controls to chop, slice, shred, puree, and mix dough, you can rely on consistent results whether you're prepping vegetables for the week, making sauces from scratch, or working on homemade pizza night. The XL feed chute with its 3-part pusher is made to handle different ingredient sizes, so you don't have to spend extra time cutting everything down before you start. The reversible shredding disc lets you switch between fine and coarse textures, giving you more control for salads, toppings, and recipes that need specific finishes. With a 12-cup precision processing bowl, this processor is sized for families and for hosting, making it easier to prep larger portions in one go. The dishwasher-safe parts simplify cleanup, which is especially helpful on busy days. Built with a sturdy 12.3-pound plastic body, 120-volt compatibility, and a design focused on performance and convenience, this Ninja food processor is meant to become a dependable, everyday partner in your kitchen rather than a tool you only use occasionally. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Cuisinart Food Processor. If you want a kitchen appliance that actually supports the way you cook, this Cuisinart Food Processor is made for you. Its powerful 720-watt motor gives you steady, reliable performance, so you can chop, blend, and process without stalling or uneven results. From crunchy veggies to smooth purees, you get the control you need to cook with confidence. With a spacious 14-cup bowl capacity, you can handle busy weeknight dinners, weekly meal prep, or larger gatherings without constantly stopping to empty the bowl. You're able to create hummus, salsa, guacamole, soups, and sauces with textures that match your preferences. Helping you serve food you feel good about, the simple on- and off-pulse controls give you flexibility. You can go for a fine, uniform chop or leave a bit more texture when you want it. The extra-large feed tube with its bowl sleeve assembly is designed to handle both small and large pieces, so you spend less time cutting ingredients down to size and more time actually cooking. A detachable disc stem makes cleanup more straightforward, which matters when you're tired, busy, or juggling multiple dishes. Built with a durable stainless steel construction, 120-volt compatibility, and a lightweight 1-pound design, this food processor is meant to stay within easy reach on your counter as a dependable everyday tool, not something that gets pushed to the back of a cabinet. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which food processor you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.